आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, मी टू मूवमेंट की लहर दौड़ रही है बॉलीवुड फ्रेटर्निटी में। पहले तनुश्री दत्ता, उसके बाद अब कंगना रनौत। आप क्या कुछ राय व्यक्त करना चाहेंगे इस पूरे मी टू मूवमेंट के बारे में?
You know, as a woman, not just as an actor, it's something that when we started hearing about it and we started reading about it, it made me angry, it made me furious. And the fact that women are coming out and speaking about it is firstly, it should not happen. Secondly, it's very, very brave that they're coming out and speaking about it. And I feel that all of us, like sometimes I read articles and see, you know, that we're still questioning it. I think there's no need to question it. We have to believe them. They can't put themselves out there to such an extent, and then people are still saying that, oh, what if, what not? No, not at all. I mean, it's a big movement. It started, and it's great. Now the real cleanup will happen. It is going to happen. It is happening as we speak. And it's important that something like this is happening in India as well. So I would love to go out there, support any woman who needs my help, anybody who's coming out and talking about it. And yeah, talking about it now also makes me angry. Yeah. So I'm going to stop.
I just want to add something. I think it's... Go. Sorry, मैं कहने लगी थी कि I think the worst thing that's happening is people are asking Tanushri why 10 years later. I think it's really sad that that's what we're focusing on, because in 10 years she did disappear. वो अपनी prime में नहीं है कि she's suddenly going to come back and become some A-list heroine by creating news and creating controversy. To be honest, having known Tanushri a little bit, I think she was on a show. उनसे पूछा गया कि आप फिल्मों से क्यों गायब हुई? उन्होंने साफ जवाब दे दिया. और आजकल का environment ऐसा है कि वो बात बहुत बड़ी बन गई, which is really great, because 10 years ago, even if I had tried to bring up a few issues, and many of us who must have faced things, the environment was not friendly. God forbid, agar aap thode bahut glamorous the, you would end up getting the blame. And we've seen it in the past, even with somebody like a Mamta Kulkarni, who was at the peak of her career. She was completely alienated overnight. That was the mahal before. Today, women are speaking and they're getting more support. Are we at the level of America? No, I don't think so. But I think we need to definitely create a more positive environment for women to start speaking, to start opening up. और अगर हमारे सवाल ऐसे होंगे कि 10 साल बाद क्यों, if that is the focus, I think that's a very negative focus. I think you need to encourage people to speak. And I think you also need to make those lines very clear. What is harassment? What is, what is actually harassment? And that needs to be made very, very clear.
And just to add to what Sophie's saying, the 10 saal baad kyun, 10 saal pehle, you know, even Farhan has mentioned, taken up for Tanushri and said कि वो 10 साल पहले भी हो रहा था. We've seen footage. Yeah. We've seen the fact that people were pushing her car. We've seen footage like that. So the fact that she's waking up 10 years later, that's not the point. She tried speaking even then.
Yeah, and she wasn't given the chance.
So let's not question that. Let's question the people who are in the line of fire. Let's question the men. Let's listen to the women a little more carefully. Let's not just turn a blind eye. Let's not turn a deaf ear to the situation and to what's happening. It's time we all wake up, guys.
Yeah. So,
I think they've both spoken so eloquently. I don't want to repeat them. But I think that it's wonderful that women are speaking out. It's very difficult to sometimes be a woman in a country like India. They go through a lot on a daily basis. And certain things we've just accepted as this is the lot of a woman, to be harassed on a regular basis, whether you're on a train, whether you're at work, whether you're on the film industry, whether you're in a bank. You've just accepted it. You've been taught to brush it under the carpet. You've been taught that you'll be a difficult person to work with, and we've all moved on with our lives. It takes a lot of courage to stand up and say that I want to tell my story, and women need to be supported, women need to be encouraged when they do that. So it's a wonderful thing that it's being spoken about, that it's being accepted. I don't know what consequences are going to take place, if any. I hope that there will be some consequences, because at the end of the day, that's what people want, to see a change. That's what this whole movement is about. So without saying anything else, I completely stand in support of any woman who wants to share her story.